Hello everyone, this is Pragya Satpathy. In my current video, I'm going to explain how to sort the data in Power Apps. For this, I have used sort by columns and filter function together to sort the data by multiple columns. Some are complex columns like personal group, choice columns. So let's see how it works. You search a name. I got the name Sai Shunika, and let me choose a task status list. It be not started. It is showing all the tasks of this user and the tasks are not started, and the tasks are sorted in an ascending order with the task ID. So let's get started how we can achieve this. So for this, I have extracted the data from the SharePoint list, and the name of the SharePoint list is task list. And the columns here are task name, task start date, task end date, task assignee, task status, and the ID of the every task or every record which is created by the SharePoint. So the displayed here in the screen is the Power Apps gallery. An item is extracted from that SharePoint list. So for that, I have added the task list in the items of the Power Apps gallery added here, and all the items of that task list is extracted from the SharePoint list. So let's see how we can sort it. So for this, I will use a function is sort by columns. So let's sort by a column name ID, and let's give a sorting order. First, let's see in descending. So here is the list. All the tasks are sorted by descending order, and ID is going by descending. You can see. If I'll just do alternate like doing it ascending, so the list will be sorted by ascending order. So let's see how we can sort this task list with various different columns and different order also. So let's first task start date, and let's set to ascending so that the task starting from 1st June will display first, and I will add the second column name as task name. Then I will add it as the sort order only. So like this. So here, first the gallery is sorted with the task start date in ascending order. Then the task name from the alphabetical sequence, the last sequence it is starting from R, and it is displaying in the descending order. Sort by columns function in SharePoint specifically works for the some specific columns like text column, date pickers like columns, but it won't work if we'll try for the complex column. Let me try with task assignee because it is a people picker column in my SharePoint list, and it won't work for this. If we'll try for the lookup columns or choice column, it also won't work. It will show the error like the function sort by columns has some invalid arguments. See how we will sort the task list using a person or group column. For that, we will add a column in the SharePoint list, I will use a function add columns, which will add a new column in my SharePoint list. So let's add a new column name as assignee name, and will not require the sorting order here, and the existing column, that is task assignee dot display name, and again the new column name, and place for declaring the sorting order is here, and I will close the sorting function. So now if I play, I can notice the task list is sorted with the alphabetical sequence of task assignee name. A lot of tasks are assigned to a single person, so but these are sorted. We'll see how both sorting and filtering will work together. So I have added few controls above this gallery. So here, if I will search the task assignee name, then the task list will display according to that name. So let's see how the filter function works here. Let's go to the items property of the task list, and it is now sorted with the task assignee name. Let's filter this according to the task assignee name. So I will use the start swipe function, and the same column name task assignee dot display name, and the search text box name text assignee dot text. So this means whatever I will search the name in the text search box, the gallery will display the task according to that. So let's see, if I search the task list is showing whatever task is assigned to Prasna. So now let us see how we can filter the choice column, that is task status. So let's go to the items property of task list. Before the filter function ends, I will code with OR function. We can put AND function also, because I want the data to be displayed by filtered by any of the data, that could be task assignee or could be task status or could be task name. So the task status value is equal to selected value of the drop down selected dot value. When I select in progress, the tasks are showing in progress here. I hope this video will definitely useful for you to implement this on your application. So stay tuned with me to know about more tips and tricks on Power Apps.